Hey guys, welcome to Squadron TV. Today I've got a pretty cool model kit to show you. This is ICM's 72 scale CH-54 Tarhe helicopter. This is one that they've already done in 1/35th scale, which is a rather large model. Now, the 72 scale is not small. It's still a very good size model kit. As you can see, the box here is not as small as a traditional 72 scale kit, I guess you could say. Depending on the subject matter, of course. But anyway, this is something that we've been looking forward to from ICM for a little while now. They hinted at this last year on the back cover of their catalog. So a lot of people have been looking forward to this. I know that we have. We've got one of their 35th scale versions on display in our Squadron shop. So we'll be very excited to see this one completed and built, put next to that one, just to kind of get a size comparison. But we'll go through the box here, take a look at the sprues. You'll see very nice detail. You'll see the rivet works very nice and crisp, just like all of ICM's kits these days. But this one in particular is one that we wanted to make sure to open up and show you guys what's in the box pretty quick. Now, the decals you'll see in a moment, they're inside the instruction booklet like all ICM's kits are. But anyway, as you see here, you got 5 sprues. You've got the 6th sprue is the clear parts, and just a very nice kit. So we'll take a look through these parts, let you see what you can expect. And if you've not picked one of these up yet, they are in stock. They've been released. We've got them over at www.squadron.com. So pick one up today, and we'll be happy to get that headed your way. Guys, thanks for taking a look. I'll take it easy.